Thank you so much, iNetwork. Nakapasyal din kami dito sa headquarters ng Malaysia. Thank you so much. iNetwork. iNetwork Philippines.
Can I sit here?
Yes.
Ken, one more. Squeeze.
One more.
Oh, no. Ay, sorry, Tura. I don't think,
Okay.
second one. Okay.
Okay. We will go down.
Talaga may grabe na si Kuya. Grabe. Power.
Power. Naka-video to ha. Okay.
What is Krabi?
Okay, thank you so much. Grabe.
Amazing.
Oh,
Amazing.
okay. Krabi.
Grabe.
Let's
go.
Let's go.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, papunta na tayo ngayon sa ating kung saan tayo magla-lunch.
Okay. Please speak close.
Okay, going to lunch na tayo. Going to lunch. Let's go. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. We will go to take a lunch. There.
Oh, why do you speak English very well now?
I just trying to speak English. To catch up. Power. Ayun no. So, papunta tayo kung saan naka-prepare ang ating
sa
lunch.
restaurant ni King Kong.
Oh, ni King Kong. Ayun o.
Restaurant ni King Kong.
King Kong. Oo nga, ano, restaurant King Kong. King Kong nga talaga. Ang alagay eh. Oh. Restaurant ni King Kong. Ayun o na. Ako. Dito tayo. Follow the leader. Huwag kang hiwalay.
Ayaw, libre na.
Yun. Yun. Yun na sila. Yan yung mga restaurant dito. Lugar na ito.
Yung person na ito, counted na. Kasi pala qualified na ako. Diba? May kasi ako na. First entry lang.
Resto dito pala tayo kakain. Restaurant Kehyong. Okay. Welcome to Restaurant Kehyong. Kehyong Restaurant. You are all welcome. Yun o. Kehyong Restaurant.
Kasama na.
From the Philippines. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Saan tayo? Oh, yun pala. Yun pala yung kwan ko eh. Brother ko. My brother. Ay. Apo.
Sila Dok, Dok.
Dok, Dok. Yun pa yung isa, Dok. Isa. Yun. Kasama natin ng mga power lady. Yun. Power lady, si Tita. Super power to si Tita.
Ikaw naman.
Hindi pa eh. Hindi lang power lady, super power. Super power.
Laging nakaano yan, kisiki.
Ah.
Naka-I love you.
Oh, naka-I love you. Okay.
Meron ka pa.
Yes. Okay. Doon yung iba. Sige guys, mamaya ulit at prepare ka tayo.
Ganda si Doc Mark.